In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play LinkedIn Queens. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open the LinkedIn website. You can do this by typing the URL into your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account. You have the option to use your Google account for a quicker login or enter your standard LinkedIn credentials if you prefer. It's a straightforward process, ensuring you have access to all the features you need. Once you've successfully logged in, take a look at the top left corner of your main LinkedIn home screen. Here, you'll find the search bar. This is your gateway to discovering new content and features, just like LinkedIn Queens. So go ahead and locate that search bar. Now in the search bar, type the word Queens and press Enter. This will initiate a search across the platform for any content related to the keyword you just entered. Patience is key here, so give it a moment for the results to load fully. As the search results populate your screen, take some time to browse through them. You're looking for a specific link that says Play Now. This link is typically what leads you directly to the game you want to play. Keep your eyes peeled for it, as this is the final step before you can dive into the fun of LinkedIn Queens. Once you find the Play Now link, it's time to advance to the next level. Click on that link and watch as the game launches right away. Excitement builds as you're about to begin your first session. And there you have it, you're all set to enjoy LinkedIn Queens. This engaging game not only entertains, but also encourages networking and professional growth in a fun way. Remember to take your time to explore and enjoy the game, as it offers various challenges and opportunities for learning. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to refer back to this video as a guide. Just to recap, you opened LinkedIn, signed in, located the search bar, searched for Queens, found the Play Now link, and clicked it to launch the game. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enjoy LinkedIn Queens to its fullest. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks in the future.